Welcome everyone to the podcast from Siam Center Law Group. Today we will discuss property law, a topic relevant to everyone, especially regarding land possession and property rights. Let's start with appurtenances under sections 144 and 145 of the Civil and Commercial Code. Appurtenances refers to property attached to the main property and cannot be separated, such as the soil where a house is built or a permanent tree. However, items like electrical wires or air conditioning systems are not considered appurtenances. If there is an agreement regarding appurtenances, it should be clearly specified in the contract. Next, let's talk about acquisition of ownership. Ownership of land can be acquired through legal actions, such as buying and selling land, which must be registered to be valid under sections 1299 and 150. Adverse possession refers to occupying land peacefully, openly, and with the intent to own it. The occupation must be continuous for 10 years for real property and 5 years for movable property. If there are lawsuits or disputes, the rights of adverse possession may not be valid. Easements refer to the right to use another person's land for the benefit of one's own property, such as using someone else's land as a pathway. If the easement is used for a different purpose, such as turning a walkway into a parking lot, it would no longer be considered a valid easement. Lastly, let's talk about disputes over property rights. If land is transferred to an outsider who acquires the property in good faith and for consideration, the original owner's rights will end immediately. For questions related to the necessity of opening a path or when possession rights start in a lease-to-own situation, the answer is that a necessary path can be created if the land initially has no access. Possession rights start once the full payment is made and ownership is registered. Understanding these concepts will help prevent future disputes. If you have more questions about land law, don't hesitate to consult a legal expert. Thank you for listening to the Siam Center Law Group podcast, and we look forward to meeting you again next time.